Hey guys, boom, as you see here, an incredible offer of mini portable fan at just 164 rupees. If you want one, you can check out my link in the description box. As you see here, this is mini portable fan with two high-end features of fan and light. Two buttons are given with which you can operate. It is super flexible, and let me tell you, if you want a mini foldable fan, you can check my video in the I button and description box. It is super flexible as shown in the video. It is a clip-on fan. You can fasten to any of your tables or furniture. It operates on battery. In case your fan battery runs out, you need not worry. You can use power bank cable to connect to your fan to recharge again, or otherwise you can operate your fan using this small power bank and a cable. You can see the indicator is on of charging, and you can use the buttons of light and fan to go for off and on options, and little noise while running the fan is the best feature in this mini portable fan. And that's cool. In summer, where the power cuts are, you can use this mini fan to turn on the bulb and fan as well. As shown here, this is a clip-on fan. When you are going in a car, you can fasten to your seat as shown in the video, or anywhere else you feel comfortable. It is easy to use, compact, good quality product. And do check my description box for mini portable fans at just 164 rupees. You can have it on your lap. It has got super wind power. You can change the directions by rotating the fan or the clip. So do enjoy this mini portable fan while traveling or indoors. You can enjoy in your schools, colleges or offices as shown here. You can go fasten it. It's super sturdy and robust on traveling, as you see in the video. So do enjoy this multi-purpose mini portable fan with just 12 watts of energy or power consumption. You can enjoy cool ride with this mini portable fan while the fan uses this USB charging on your dashboard as shown in the video. And if you want to rotate or change the direction of the fan or the wind, you can do so as shown in the video. Okay, did you like this robust mini portable fan with good quality? This poly material is used, which gives you durability in the long run. Okay, if any of you want this mini portable fans, you can check out my links in the description box or on DMart as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.